Oh. Wow.
Hi, I'm Drew.
And I'm Kathy.
And we're back in the river again.
93 degrees.
Yeah.
Yay. Guess what? We do have stinging nettles. I tried it out. Yes, they sting. They're prickly. I wondered if we had them.
Here's one of those jelly glasses with the date on the bottom. It's backwards, of course. It says patent December 22nd, 1908.
Oh, yeah, I was just going to say, clean that out and I'll get a shot looking through the glass. Drew said he found something.
Yeah, what's left of a teapot.
Oh, that's different.
Yeah,
Looks like bamboo or something.
the spout is broken and the handle's broken.
Yeah,
But
too bad, but it's cute. Maybe I can put a little plant in that.
blue glaze, yeah, you could put a little plant. I found something. I don't know what it is. It used to have a chain
Ooh, fancy.
hanging it.
Wow.
Something else down here.
I see that.
Yeah,
I wonder which way it went. I don't know. Oh, that's neat. I like that.
Look, I could pierce my nose and put it in there like a mustache.
This was a JSP bottle. We have some beautiful ones at home. Oh, what a shame. Oh, rats. Slick. Unembossed, and that's an old one. Blown in mold. Oh, that should have been embossed.
Can it be? Is that a marble? Is that a marble? Yay! I found the marble.
Drew just found a marble. I guess I went the wrong way.
Hey, I found the marble. We can go home now. Hey.
Let's see the marble.
Cleaned it up a little bit.
Ooh, nice. The swirl. Yay. Oh, it's a beauty. That doesn't even look river worn. Wow. That must be
right down there.
Must be like freshly out of the sand or the bank. Mud. Freshly out of the mud. Yay! Well, this isn't terribly exciting. It's a screw top. It says iron glue. McC and Company. Keep this for now.
I see a bottle. And it's unmarked. It's a battery oil bottle. 2.5 fluid ounces. The battery oil would be placed on top of a wet cell battery to keep the water from evaporating.
I think I see a pipe stem. Yep, pipe stem. Maybe we'll find a pipe bowl. Oh, look at this piece. That would have been nice.
Looks like a piece of a Bennington spittoon.
It's way too broken for my broken spittoon collection. Let's see if this is whole. Well, it is. It's not as old as I'd hoped. It's whole. Soda bottle. An insulator like sliced in half. Oh well. Look at this. Oh, too bad about the chunks.
Yeah.
Oh well.
Oh well.
This looks like a buried insulator. It's got a chunk out of it, but let's look anyway. Yep, too bad. Too bad. Oh well. Here's a little tiny bottle. Ah, too bad it's unembossed, but it's nice. Stickney and Pour, Spice Co., Boston, Mass. That's what that was.
Noonan bottle. Notice. Special for barbers. Bench use only. Not be refilled. T. Noonan and Son, Boston, Mass. Kathy thinks she has this one.
I don't know.
SB.
That's a tough one.
Bosworth.
Oh,
We can look up Bosworth. That sounds sort of familiar. You can't read the rest of it.
no.
Just laying there. It's slick. It's old though. Not machine made. You can keep that. Kathy can fill it with little shells and stuff.
Oh yeah, that's cute.
Look at that. I wonder what that was. Fun for you brick collectors out there. I know you're out there. POLA. I don't know what that means. NEB Co. I think that's New England Brick Company. Now this would have been nice. Amber, oh, Aqua, Demijohn.
Well, I think I see a bottle. How many times have I said that? Oh. Wow. So it says New York Bottling Works, but it says Waltham, Mass. I wonder why it's New York Bottling Works if it's Waltham, Mass. Look at that. I would expect this bottle this size to be a blob top. Wow, my last minute spectacular find. I had given up. Looks like I did it.
Very good. New York Bottling Works. 8 ounces. Waltham, Mass. Registered. It's not machine made either.
Yay!
Seam stops below the lip. See if I can clean it up a little bit.
Let me look here some more while you're cleaning that. I should have the viewer here see through these ripples.
All right, well, there you go.
That would have been cute.
Nice.
Yay!
We can go home now. Your last minute spectacular.
Yep, we can go
find.
home now. Yep, I found a bottle and you found me a marble. Yay.
Yeah.